Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another unboxing, but before we get into the video, I do want to make an announcement. I know that you guys are still waiting for my Amazon find, like the mommy favorite Amazon find, but I have decided to refilm that video because I just wasn't satisfied with how the video looked. So that will be coming up very soon. But today is going to be something very exciting because I'm actually going to go ahead and grab it because it's a huge box. I don't even know if this is going to fit in the frame, but today's unboxing is going to be my FabFitFun unboxing. Hopefully you guys can see that. But this is the spring box, and this is so huge and so big. I can't even fit it in the frame. And so big that, yeah, but I'm excited. If you guys, I'm actually going to put this down before I continue talking. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on all of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into this spring's FabFitFun. So if you guys are unaware, FabFitFun is a quarterly beauty subscription. Well, it's also a lifestyle subscription, but it is a subscription box that is every season. Did I say quarterly? Every season. Season subscription. That's what it is. Every season there's always a new box, and I have with me the spring box. FabFitFun is a $50 seasonally subscription box, and you get an array of products ranging from beauty, lifestyle to everything else that you can think of. And I absolutely love FabFitFun because, like many subscription boxes, you get to try out a lot of new products, and there are some items that you can customize prior to the shipping. So I really do love this. This is, I think, my third or fourth FabFitFun, and so far I've been loving it. If you guys want to know more about FabFitFun, there is going to be a link down below in the description box. It's not an affiliate code or anything, but if you guys want to learn more about it, go ahead down in the description box and click it down below. So let's just go ahead and take a look at what I received in my spring FabFitFun. I actually don't even remember what I customized or what I picked out during the customization. I did customize 4 things, but I totally forgot what they were, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. I'm actually gonna keep this magazine in handy because they do have all of the items that they have for spring, what you can get, and I can just use this as a reference to see what I got and tell you guys the price. But everything that I received in this month's box or this season's box, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. The first thing that I got is this one from SF, and if I don't recall the I'll take it out of the packaging, but this is in the packaging right here. So this is from the brand SF. I actually don't even know what brand that is, but these are just the Stunt Out Gold Foil Lip Mask. So it comes in 3 packs, and I absolutely love lip mask. My 14-year-old daughter, she loves lip mask. Any mask that I get, she tries to try it out, for herself because, she's a teenager. But this is what I got, and I'm actually so excited. I'm not going to tell you the retail value right now. I will have everything in the description box, but I also have the retail value on the screen as I'm talking about it. But this is what they are. So super excited about this one. Okay, next up are these slippers. Now these I know I customized. I did pick these out because I really wanted slippers for the house. If you're Filipino, they call it house slippers, but I really wanted house slippers, and I picked these, and hopefully they fit because this is a size small. So this is from the brand Splendid, and this one I can tell you the price. This retails for $48, and this is in the size medium. But this is just a simple fuzzy baby pink slippers. I really love them. They're super cute, and they feel comfortable from just the first impression, like while I'm touching it. Super excited about this one. I know that we are in spring. When I'm filming this, it's Saturday and it's the first day of spring. I know that we are in spring, but you can never go wrong with house slippers. Very excited about this one. Okay, next up are these things right here. So this is from the brand Say Hello. I'm gonna say Say Hello because it looks like it's Say Hello. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I don't even know why I didn't bring my scissors with me. But these are the Say Hello Reusable Beauty Round, and this comes in 3 packs. This one retails for $15. I think these are amazing. I've heard some YouTubers, beauty bloggers talk about these, and these are lifesavers. So I have used the makeup eraser, and my daughter uses the makeup eraser as well. But this one is very compact, and it feels really nice. And I like the fact that you can just throw this in the wash and clean it and stuff. Up next is this super cute packaging right here. Very summery. Very summery vibes. I really love this. This is from the brand Cocofloss, and this is the Tropical Trio. Actually gonna open this and see what they are. Oh, I think these are floss. Are they? This should be interesting. Ooh. Okay, so these are two and they smell really good too. These are flosses and they smell really good. So these are what they look like. Super cute. It does come in this little packaging right here, like the typical floss packaging. And then they also give you 2 more packs. So flossing is something that I tend to overlook, which is really bad. But they do come like these. They give you 2 extra packs and the colors are so pretty. So pretty. So I'm excited to use this. I'm pretty sure my daughter is going to use this as well. Alright, so this is another item that I actually customized and I really needed one like this. So these are coasters and these are the Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters and these retail for $35. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys and show you, attempt to open it. So these are what they look like. They remind me so much of the Philippines, just the way that these look. So these are what they look like and they are super gorgeous. So pretty, and this is what the back looks like. I really love this. I'm so excited about this. I have been needing coasters for a while now. I've purchased so many coasters and for some reason they always tend to just disappear and I don't know what happened to it, but I'm excited. I purchased a new desk that's gonna replace the one I have in my living room, and it's a gorgeous desk, so I think this will really mesh well with the desk. So I'm very excited about this one. Okay, we got a couple more products in the box and I think we should be done. So the next one is this one from Humankind and this is their moisturizing hand scrub. It says it has elderflower and raspberries. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging on this one. So pretty. Can't go wrong with good hand moisturizers. Alright, I don't know if I can open this up. Oh, if this is sealed. Yes, this is sealed. Let me go ahead and test it out. Smells really good. So this is what it looks like right there. Ooh, it has like little scrub thingies on it or in it. This is gonna be really good to just exfoliate your hand. I feel that's what it feels like. It feels like a hand exfoliator. And it smells really good. So excited about this one. I'm definitely gonna keep this in my new desk for sure. Okay, up next is another customized item that I chose, and this is a makeup organizer. So I think I may give this to my 14-year-old, but this is from Sorbus and this is their cosmetic organizer case. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging. I'm not gonna take the plastic out, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see, but this is what it looks like. I love the little floral design in the bottom. So cute. It's just your typical makeup organizer. It comes with the lip product containers or compartments and stuff for your powders or whatever. It's very similar to what I have. It's a little bit smaller than what I have, but I think my daughter could definitely use this. I'm probably gonna pass this on to her. Alright, we are down to the last product, and this is something that I know I remember customizing and picking out during customization, and I'm just going to take it out of packaging so you guys can see what it is, but it's an expensive product for sure. So this would have actually came in handy last weekend because we went away last weekend. If you guys did not see that vlog, I do have a vlogs channel, but if you guys have not seen that vlog where we went away, we didn't go anywhere exciting. We went to the other town over, but the kids love that town, but it would have been very useful last weekend. This is the Alice and Olivia Daisy print duffel bag, and this retails for $150. So this is probably the most expensive duffel bag I've ever owned, but I absolutely love the print on this. It's so pretty. It has daisy print on them all over it, and it's so gorgeous, and it does feel so good. This will really come in handy whenever we go away, especially whenever we do go home or go back to the Philippines. We do have plans of going back to my home country, which is the Philippines, and I am excited to use this. So you guys can see it better in this angle. So gorgeous, and it is huge. So excited about this one. Very excited. Never heard of Alice and Olivia, but yeah, very excited about this. Okay guys, that completes this Spring FabFitFun. I absolutely love all of the products that I receive in this season box, and I'm super excited to use all of them, and I'm pretty sure my daughter will make great use of the lip mask and the makeup organizer. So very excited about those, and I'm super excited about the duffel bag as well. Really could use a good duffel bag for whenever, and if my daughter ends up sleeping over her friend's house, she could absolutely use that as well. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys got in your FabFitFun for this season. If you guys are FabFitFun members, let me know in the comments, did you guys receive the same items as I did? Or if not, did you guys, let me know what you guys received and let me know how you feel about them. And yeah, if you guys have not again subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you guys are always notified whenever there is a new upload here on my channel. And don't forget to also subscribe to my vlog channel. I will always have the link to my vlog channel down below in the description box. But again, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.